Okay, friends, so today we're going to work on multiplication. We're going to do 2 digits by 2 digits, multiplying. And the first math problem I want you to braille out for us is 35 times 97. And I also have it right here as 35 times 97. And go ahead and hit pause so that you can braille it. Okay, now that you're done brailing it, I want you to follow these steps with me, okay? So to multiply, it can be a little intimidating when it comes to 2 digits, and that's okay. Oh, my friend Chapo's here with me. It's fine. So what you're going to do is, the first thing you're going to tell yourself is you're going to obviously have a rubber band. So I have 35 times, so my rubber band is my times, and then I have 97. So what you're going to do is you're going to multiply. You're going to say what's 90, or you can say what's 9 times 3. That's the first thing you're going to look at. 9 times 3, or you can say 90 times 3. And I know that is 27, right? But because it's 90 and it's 30, don't forget to add those zeros. So I'm going to go on over here on my right hand side. I'm going to go 0, 0, and we said it was 27, right? So I'm going to set 2027 and then 0, 0. Okay, so I go back to my left side and I'm done multiplying by 3. So now I go, what's 90 times 5, or what's 9 times 5? 9 times 5 is 45, I would believe, right? But don't forget to add that 0. So we can go to the right hand side. So 0, and then we say 45. So 450. So here we go. 100, 200, 300, 400, and then 50. Okay, so I'm done with 450, and I finished multiplying by 90, so then I can clear my 90. Don't forget to clear that. That way you don't get confused. And now you tell yourself, okay, what's 7 times 3, or what's 7 times 30? And I know 7 times 3 is 21, or 220, or 21, or 210. So go over here on the right hand side, and it's 0, and we said 21, or 210. So 100, 210. Okay, so now I go over here on my right hand, or my left hand side, and I clear my 30 because I multiplied that already. And then I say, what's 7 times 5? That's what's left. 7 times 5 is 35, I believe, right? So then you would do 30, 10, 20, 30, and then 5. So your answer should be 3,395. Oof, that was long, right? It's not going to be as long once you get the hang of it. I went a little slow so that you can see all the steps. Okay, let's try one more. Okay, so the next math problem I have set up for you is 53. So that goes on your left-hand side. 53 times, so my rubber band represents times 95. So go ahead and braille that out. Hit pause. Okay, so now that you brailled it out, let's solve it. Here we go. So I have 53 times 95. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to multiply. What's 90 times 5, or 50? What's 90 times 50, or we can say what's 9 times 5? And I know it's 45, but don't forget to add the 2 zeros. So on my right hand side, I'm going to go 0, 0, and then I'm going to set 45, or you can say 4,500. Okay, so I multiplied by 5, but don't clear yet because we're not done multiplying my 95. So what's 90 times 3? And I know 9 times 3 is 27, but don't forget to add that 0. So it's 207. So 207. Now I'm done multiplying by 9, so I clear my 9 so it doesn't confuse me. And then I move on to my other digit, which is 5. What's 5 times 5? Or what's 5 times 50? What's 5 times 5 or 5 times 50? Who remembers? 25, right? So don't forget to add your 0, and it's 250. So 100, 200, and we're going to do 50. 1, 2, oh no, I don't have any more. 2, I can't borrow from here. I can do from the thousands. 2, 3, 40, 50, right? Because we were doing 50. Or 250, I think, is what we were doing. Okay, so now I'm done multiplying by 50, so I clear that, and I move on to my 5 times 3. And we know 5 times 3 is 15, so that's an easy 10, 5, or you can count by 1. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, like so. So your answer should be 5,035 is what you should have gotten for this math problem. Okay, so I did 2 examples. What I want you to do now, I'll add the link of the math worksheet I'm working on so you can practice and see if you can continue solving the rest of the multiplication math facts. So I will leave that link so you can have that worksheet and you can complete the rest of the math problems. I think there's 7 more you need to do. So let me know how it goes, and if you need more practice, I will make some more videos. But for now, let's focus on 2-digit multiplication with 2-digit. Okay? We'll see you later. Have some fun.